Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Here I'm about to cook some curry chicken along with some chicken foot and rice and peas. So we're about to get started. These are the onions, garlic, ginger, Irish potato, tomato, and thyme. Guys, I'm gonna press the foot. I pressure it a little bit. I'm about to add the chicken to it. Stir it up. Now guys, this is not curry, this is turmeric, okay? This is the healthiest way, turmeric, not curry. Because turmeric is healthy and it gives it a better taste. Okay, cook for a little bit. So guys, there's chicken. I'm about to add the broad butter bean in. Also the seasoning, guys. So guys, here I'm about to take the rice to check on it now. Lovely, guys. Lovely. Lovely. This is the rice and peas, guys. See? So guys, I'm about to put the rice to steam now. This is really good. The rice and peas is the right texture, but it's not soft. It's not too soft, and it's not hard. It's nice, perfect. Look up. That's really good.